In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password using the latest Instagram app in 2026. Updating your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to keep your account secure and protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Whether you simply want a stronger password or think someone else may have access to your account, this process only takes a few minutes. Opening the Instagram app. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. At the top of the page, tap Account Center, where Meta manages settings for Instagram, Facebook, and other connected accounts. Now, scroll down and tap Password and Security. Then select Change Password. If you have multiple Instagram accounts connected, choose the account whose password you want to update. You'll now be asked to enter your current password. After that, type your new password. For better security, create a strong password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Although Instagram requires a minimum of 6 characters, using a much longer password is highly recommended. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once everything looks correct, tap Change Password to save your new login credentials. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity if it detects unusual activity, so simply follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. As an extra security measure, you'll also see an option to log out of other devices. If you believe someone else may have signed into your account, enable this option to sign out all other sessions and keep your account protected. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Instagram password. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your password secure and update it regularly for better account protection.